Today we're going to be building LEGO Technic set 42170, the Kawasaki Ninja H2R set. It comes with 643 pieces. So let's get it open and put it together. Okay, so we finished the LEGO Technic Kawasaki Ninja H2R, set number 42170, contains 643 pieces and retails in the US for $84.99. So for anyone who has been building Technic for a while and remembers a couple of years ago, LEGO came out with a bike very similar to this. The Ducati was a red bike, maybe the first bike they had. Both of these bikes have very similar functionality. This bike has a working gear system, so you can turn it this way, this way, or this way, and it locks the wheels in place depending upon the direction in which you go. Overall, it's a nice bike. I do like the black with the green trim and the green outline with some of these Technic pieces. The wheels are similar to the Ducati bike. The front wheels do move. And there's a small little kickstand here that you can push up. The bike does have front suspension as well as rear suspension as well. It also has this the chain gear for the back tire. So I mean, you roll it forward and backwards, and it kind of sorry, this is in the wrong position, but and then the chain moves as well. So basically the gear works. You move it this way and it disconnects the engine from the wheels. You turn it this way and the engine moves forward and backwards, and then you go this way and it locks the front wheels, and then you turn it this way and it locks the wheels again. The set does come with quite a few stickers. This is a sticker sheet, and most of these stickers actually are applied in bag 4. The majority of build was mostly in bag 4. That's what took the most time. There is some small detail up here. This is the front of the bike, and then there's the stickers applied inside the steering, and then again here on the seat. These pieces here are actually printed, these two here, which is kind of surprising for all the stickers they had. They put that in printing. There's also a cool exhaust element here that comes out of the back of the engine all the way out to the back of the bike as well. I'm going to try and show you this. So there's actually a piston engine in here. If you turn the wheels forwards and backwards, you can see the 4-cylinder engine moving upwards, up and down there. So this set, I mean, for $84.99, I'd say compared to I know that LEGO prices have increased, last couple of years. So obviously that's kind of where this is now, up at $80, $85. Is it worth it? I mean, it doesn't have the piece count to match it. I mean, I'd say if you like Technic sets, if you're into building bikes like this, you're a bike fan, then this is something you probably would enjoy building. I'm not so sure it was worth the money at $85. But it was definitely a fun build. If you like building out extensive gearboxes, and then the chain where everything kind of moves, that's one of the fun parts of this whole build. It was, I would say it was challenging at times putting together. Mostly the beginning of the build was mostly interior in the gearbox, and that was the most fun. So if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to click on like and subscribe. And again, I appreciate your support. Thanks for watching.